Hi, I'm Peyton Crosby from Peregrine here. This is our new reimagined space at the Perry Lane Hotel. I wanted to show you guys one of my personal cocktails that made it onto the menu. This is called the Adelaide's Lover. It's kind of like a Hemingway daiquiri meets a French 75. I just kind of tweaked some of the ideas there. So what I have here is a mixture of Papas Pilar blonde rum, a pamplemousse liqueur, which is like a grapefruit cordial, and then a pineapple syrup that we use as well. So just a few ounces of this. And then from there, I just add a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna give that a nice shake with some ice. Now I know that it's nice and cold. Give that a quick double strain. And to finish that off, just a little bit of bubbles. And of course we have to make it pretty. And that is the Adelaide's Lover.